Okay, here we're back. Saunders Springs Natural Nature Preserve here in Radcliffe, Kentucky. We're gonna take you up to the cave today. In fact, we may even actually go into the cave this evening. What you have here to the left is the holding pond. Well, too much water comes out of the cave there, kind of comes across to this area. You can see there's a gate there to let water in and out. And of course, this is the back side of our tanks. We'll get to those later. But let's work our way up here toward the cave. I haven't actually put the boots on yet, so I won't be able to take you into the cave just yet, but we should be able to get close enough for you to see the entrance. Beautiful area here. Saunders Springs Nature Preserve is 99 acres all together, including the annex. That's up the hill there. We're going to go to the left, and there in fact is the entrance to the cave. There's a couple of guys coming out of there that shouldn't be in there. Guess we'll discuss that with them when they get here shortly. But we'll be going in a little later this evening to inspect the cave, and we'll get back to you on that. Thank you.